Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with a new aptitude questions, that is mixture and allegations. So before going in detail about this mixture and allegations, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, and walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships, and also tech news. So coming to this mixture and allegations, this mixture and allegations, it is a mixture of profit and loss and also ratio and proportion. These all that comes under this mixture and allegations, and mainly you have to consider that for mixture and allegations you will not have any formula to solve it. Just you have to use your brain and where to solve it and how to solve it, what is the data they given. Just you have to do it from the data what they given. That's all. Here we have a method, like it's not a, I cannot say it's a method, but just to solve it in a simple way. So let's get started about this. So if the average age of a students in a class, it is given as 15.8 years, the average of boys is 16.4 years and that of girls is 15.4 years. So what they are asking is what is the ratio of boys to girls. So they are asking boys to girls what is the ratio. They have given the years. So here you can get the questions like they'll give you a ratio, you have to find out the years how many, or else if they'll give you a years you have to find out what is the ratio. So coming to this, see what actually they given. So see, from the data itself we will be doing it. Here we don't have any formulas for mixture and allegations, just you have to analyze the situation or analyze the data what they have given there. So here boys to girls, right? So what they have given, the average of boys what they given 16.4 and girls how much, 15.4. Just we just note it down as boys and girls, and 16.4 and 15.4 what they given, the whole average what they have given 15.8. This is, we call it as mean average value. We call it as mean average value, and it doesn't come under averages or anything, it comes under mixture and allegations, but this one we'll call it as a mean average. So 15.8, right? So just do it in a cross section way. Okay, see 15.8, right? See, whichever, you shouldn't get a negative number in the down. So if this is a big, then subtract from this to this. If this is a big, subtract from this to this. That's all. We should not get any negative or negative number in the down section. So which is the big, just subtract it from the big number. Which is small, just subtract it from the big number. That's all. So 15.8, right? We are doing in a cross section. This is the just a method to solve this mixture and allegations. So 15.8 minus 15.4, that is 0.4, and here 16.4 is a biggest number. So 16.4 minus 15.8, that is 0.6. So 4 is to 6, that is nothing but 2 is to 3. Then what is the ratio? See, as if I am doing girls is this side and boys is this side, you shouldn't, just it is comes under this, boys this one and girls this one. That's all. You should not get confused that you are doing this, no, so that girls is this one and boys is this one. That is wrong. This is the boys and this is the girls. That's all. Boys is to girls, what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. This is the answer for that. So we have a few more problems to solve it, so we'll see it. Here what we have, average salary of a staff of a company is 1200. If the average salary of officers is 4600, non-officers is 1100. Okay, if the number of officers are 15, so we have to find out the non-officers, how many members are there. So they given the salaries and the average salaries of officers and non-officers, and the whole salary, I mean average salary of officers and non-officers they given us. So we have to find out the number of non-officers. So how to solve this? Officers and non-officers, right? How much they given the payment? 4600, the average value given, and 1100 is given, and total how much they given? 1200 they given. Just do it in a subtraction. So 1200 minus 1100, 4600 minus 1200, it is nothing but 100 is to 3400, that nothing but 1 is to 34. This is a ratio, just a ratio. But what they have asked you, they have given the number of officers is 15. We have to find out the number of non-officers. So here the officers is, they given how many members are there, 15 members are there, 1 is to 34, right? So for 1 it is 15. So how much for 34? So 34 into 15, right? So 1 is equal to 34, right? So how much 1 is equal to 15? So 34 should be also equal to that, no? So 34 into 15, that is nothing but 510. So how many non-officers are there? 510 non-officers are there and 15 officers are there. That's all. And here we have an other problem. A man has 50 kgs of rice, a part of which he sells 10% profit. So 10% profit he sells and remaining 5 at loss, okay? But overall on the whole he have gained 7%. So we have to find out the quantity which sold at 10% profit. So we have to find out the quantity. So here see what they have given, profit and loss, right? So at 10% profit, so 10 and 5%, but loss. So here what we have to do is, so here the profit, right? Profit is nothing but we are getting, so it will be plus, whereas loss, we are losing from our profit, right? That is minus 5%. This is the half where if when you find this profit and loss, just make it as a plus and minus. This is most important. If you will not do this, the answer at last what you get will be wrong. So the overall how much he gained, 7% he gained, right? So from here 7 however we have to do a subtraction. So 7 minus 5 minus of minus 5, that is 12, and here 10 minus 7, that is 3. So 4 is to 1 is a ratio. But what they asked you, at 10%, what is the quantity? Like at the profit, what is the quantity? So overall, at 10%, right? I mean for profit, it is 4. So 4. Overall, how much? 4 plus 1? 5. 4 by 5 into 50 is nothing but 40 kgs. At 40 kgs, he gets the profit. This is how you'll solve it. And here is a question. A merchant has 88 kg of sugar. A part of he sells at a gain of 10% and remaining at loss at 12%. And on the total, he loses 3%. So what is the quantity sold at a loss of 12%? So same like on before problem, this is given, but it is in a loss. So please do it and give me the answer in the comment section, and I'll be solving this problem in the next video. So, and if you have missed the videos of the before LCM and HCF is given in the description, so you can go directly into the description, you can go and watch the LCM and HCF videos. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.